right, so let's go ahead and get into the first unit. First up, I have the Butter Unit 15 in the color Balayage Caramel. So they state in this unit you have wider parting space and the lace goes ear to ear. So I actually did already cut the lace because I wanted to try it on. So you guys really didn't miss anything there. I just literally cut it around the hairline. These are the available colors they have in stock for this exact unit. I will go ahead and link this unit down below so you guys can go on their website and browse all their different colors. All right, so let's get into the construction of the wig. So it features about 3 combs, 2 right here on the side and then 1 in the back. Also does come with an adjustable strap. So if your head is tiny, you can go ahead and make it tighter for you. So on this unit does feature butter lace. And what I mean by that, lace is invisible lace that absorbs light, making it virtually undetectable as it melts to almost all skin tones. The hairline is pre-plucked with baby hairs for an extremely natural appearance. And it shows a picture here of what normal lace looks like and what butter lace looks like, which is the lace on this unit. Which is really nice because, you know, we can't bleach knots on the synthetic units, but we can add makeup to really make it blend. So, like always with my synthetic units, we can't bleach the knots. We're gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder and just press the foundation all over the lace. This is what the lace looks like before. It's pretty white, doesn't really match my skin tone. So we want it to just blend a little better, make it more undetectable. Literally just taking the foundation and brushing it onto the lace. All right, and now this is what the lace looks like after, which is way better. This wig is so long. It did not tell me how long it is though, which is weird. I gotta look on the site. I will put it right here if I find out how long it is, but it looks to be about 26 inches. It's pretty long. When I put it on, it's gonna be literally at my butt crack. Fix this on here. OMG, it's giving Beyonce. It's giving Beyonce. This is the baby hairs they said they added. It's a little too long for my liking, so I'm definitely gonna cut it. But let's go ahead and lay it down and then we'll fix up the hair. But this is how it looks straight on without any manipulation. Oh my goodness, Divatress, you got me feeling like a baddie. And I love how it has layers in the hair, so it gives it even more body. This is the hair reaches on me. It's pretty long. Oh my god, I'm living for the front facing pieces that are blonde. I'm living for that. The hair feels really, really soft. I am not trying to ruin the curl pattern, but OMG, the hair feels soft. I don't see any shedding so far. Okay, maybe a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and install this bad boy. So now I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be glue spray and just spray this all over my hairline. All right, so now that I got the unit where I want it to be, I am just going to take this little silk headband that I got. This is actually from my robe, but I've been using it to lay down my wigs because I don't have an elastic band. Sorry that my black armpits are in the camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to put it on the lace so the lace can melt into my skin. Alright y'all, so the wig is now stuck down. I'm gonna go ahead and take the scarf off now. It is so freaking bomb. Like, I'm not even done doing what I do. Alright, so first thing that I'm going to do is just apply more makeup in my part because I want it to look more like skin. And I'm seeing like the little grits in the lace. literally cut in a diagonal form, so it's not so straight and blunt. Now I'm just gonna go in with the spray. So now that my baby hairs are in place, I am just going to add some oil to the front of my hair because I feel like the blonde pieces are low-key frizzing up. The rest of the hair seems to be okay, but I think it's because I've been doing so much in the front of the hair, it just got a little frizzy. So to tame that, I'm just gonna take some bio oil. Yeah, that helps it. Y'all, how pretty is this freaking unit? I feel like Beyonce. This hair is so lightweight, so full at the same time, soft. The color is beautiful, the curls are beautiful. The lace, as they said, is undetectable with a little bit of my help. But yeah, I love this unit. If you guys come across this video and don't purchase this unit, like, I don't know. For the summertime, y'all, this is the go-to, okay? This is just screaming I'm on vacation in Jamaica. Like, this is screaming brunch with the girls. This is screaming Beyonce, no Beyonce, you feel me? Like, so yeah, that is it for the Butter Unit 15 in the color Balayage Caramel. I would say pros are, love the length, love how silky the hair is, curls are manageable. Like, I could still run my hands throughout the hair without making it look disgusting. The lace was really manageable. I would say the only thing I do wish is more parting space on the sides. They did give me about 6 inches to part in the middle, but I would like some more parting space on the side in case I wanted to do like a half up, half down. But baby, that does not outweigh the pros. I love this wig. I love this wig so much. Let's go ahead and get to the next wig. All right, y'all, I'm back and I took off wig number 1, which I absolutely did not want to do. That wig was so freaking beautiful. If I didn't have to review this one, I would have kept that on all day. Took pictures, took TikToks, but this is a wig try on haul video. So let's go ahead and move on to the second unit. This unit is really, really beautiful. This one looks like it's been curled more so with a wand curler versus the first unit, very curly. It was like ringlets. This one's more so like big, juicy wand curls. Oh my God, look at that bounce. Ooh, I love this wig. This is the Outre Sleek Lay Lace Front Wig. The style is called Adeline, and I got it in the color DR2 Hazelnut. And this wig is 30 inches long, okay? Listen, I love a good long unit. With this unit, the parting space is definitely wider than the normal synthetic units, and it is hand tied in the front, which gives it more of like a hairline effect. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like, kind of similar to the first unit. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and an adjustable strap also. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Maybelline pressed powder once again and apply that all over the lace. So I am just gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and we're gonna customize baby hairs. All right, so this is the unit, literally guys, literally straight out the box. Minus the fact that I just added some makeup in the part, but my gosh. One thing about Divatress, they don't miss at all. So, as always, you know I gotta do my little baby hairs and my little lifting at the root. We'll spray some Got To Be and just kind of go like this to just kind of lift it at the root versus it being flat like that. I mean, some people like it like that, but I just feel like this looks so much better like that. You see what I mean? Like, it just gives, I don't know, gives natural hairline when it comes out like that. So these are the baby hairs that the unit came with. I did not cut these. So this side, I don't know what was going on with this side, but the baby hairs are not there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that. It's the bounce for me, like, come on. All right guys, that is the finished look for this wig. I literally, as you guys seen, just added some makeup to the lace and parted out some baby hairs and laid them. And this wig is ready to go. Perfect for date night, girls night, just going out shopping, just going to Walmart, just going out to your car. This wig is perfect. Like, I love the color, I love the texture. So far, I've been playing with the hair for a while now. I got a little bit of shedding here. This is the amount of shedding I got, but that's expected. I did cut the lace, but this wig is beautiful. I need you guys to comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite wig on me. If I had to choose, it's definitely gonna be the first one. Hands down. The color, the texture, I just loved it. No hate to this wig, but this wig is for sure so beautiful. Like, come on. Come on, come on. All right guys, so unfortunately that is all the wigs I have to try on for you today. If you guys like this wig try on haul, please, 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 please be sure to like, share, subscribe this video so I can get more companies to send me wigs like this so we can review them and get the tea on them. As always, I love you guys and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Straightening, straightening, yeah, straightening, straightening, yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm kinda the narrows with Robert.